What's up guys, back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to set reminder workflow in Slack. So what you're gonna do is guys, just go to your Slack and you'll be having this as your home screen. Then go to any channel, let me select general, and on your message box just type slash and then type remind and then give a space at the rate you yourself and then workflow and give a space and choose a time. So let me go with 9 p.m. and then send. So it says that I will remind you workflow at 9 p.m. today. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.